Okay, so for the sweet and sour chicken balls, diced chicken breast up, all sort of equal sizes. You've got 70 grams of self-raising flour, 70 grams of corn flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, sorry, and some salt. And got some cold water and just going to make a batter. It's about 140 ml. Just whisk all that together. Cornflour makes it really difficult to stir at first, but get lumps out. This is quite a thick batter. So once all the lumps are out, just leave that to rest for a little while and then we can fry it. Okay, so chicken balls. That's been resting. We've got that chicken has been dusted in flour just to help the batter stick. Oh, way round. Stir it on a fork. Get really well coated. Drop it in the oil. Let it seal first, let the batter seal first so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the fryer. And just ease it off. There we go. And that'll take about 4 or 5 minutes till it's golden and cook through. And just do that with all of them. Not to overcrowd the deep fat fryer again. Otherwise, it won't cook very evenly. Okay, right. Sweet and sour chicken balls. This is their sweet and sour sauce. Got 160 ml pineapple juice. 80 ml of rice vinegar. Is this open? Did I check? No. Brand new bottle. 3 tablespoons ketchup, 75 grams of sugar, and a tablespoon or so of soy. So mix that all together. Bring it to the bowl. This won't be as luminous as you get it from the Chinese takeaway. They probably put food colour in or something and I could say but it should taste pretty good. Let that come up to the boil. Make sure all the sugar and everything's dissolved. And then after that you add, this is corn flour, a tablespoon of corn flour and water, and you just make it into that, and then once that's up to the boil you pour that in there and that will thicken it, and that's what will make it like Chinese sweet and sour sauce. Making sure all the sugar's dissolved. Leave it to boil for a few minutes. Make sure it don't boil over. Once all the sugar and everything's dissolved, pour this mixture in. Back over the heat, turn the heat down. Already you can see how shiny and thick it's going. Looks a bit more like the sweet and sour sauce you get in the takeaway. Okay, so once it's all stirred in, poured over for a bit, nice and thick sauce, and then that's ready to go. Okay, so the chicken balls are done. I'd say they look pretty chicken bally. I've just left them to drain for a while, and they're ready in the pot. I'll just do the rest of them